Hey, what's going on? I just want to go over going off on a limb here. 5 minute charts with these J curves. You get the pop, and then you get the J curves. It's not necessarily a J curve yet, but I got some legs showing, which is trying to find a bottom. So I'm crossing the 8, 13 into the 34, back in the 8, and then pop, pop, pop. See if we can get some bounces off these 5 minute charts. As the longer term charts come into resistance, everything kind of dropped off. And so over here, I got, what is it? ZRX, and I'm looking for a J curve on this and this wall of sell orders to crumble and see where that J curve ends up. It's got a J curve going on ZRX. So let's see where that goes. So anyways, we got a lot of these J curves going on. So I'm just going to flip through these. I don't know them by heart, so I'm just going to flip through them. There's one. So we had AGI yesterday, came into resistance, made a lower high, and then I got this J curve pop, coming back into support, pop, pop, pop. See if we can't get a run on this. And then longer term, these we went over yesterday. Longer term, a lot of resistance lines, pattern breaks. So we're looking for those. Got legs, some J curves, not much of a J curve. Look at that J curve, ARK, J curve, pop. So that's what I'm looking for. Into the 34, back into support, pop, pop, pop. Lots of other patterns going on too, but I'm concentrating on these J curves. See, I think I saw something there. Look how drop off that is. Not much of a J curve, but almost. It's a J curve. BTC, not a J curve, but I got a reverse head and shoulders off this 5 minute chart. It's kind of nice reversal pattern. There's a J curve. Got some legs. I think Dash ran into resistance as well like yesterday. Not much of a J curve, but we got some W forming here. W, nice little pattern, bottom pattern. It's a nice J curve. See, into the 34, back into support, pop, back into support. Watch for the previous high breaks. Could be nice. Another J curve. GTN ran into resistance as well. Nice little J curve, and then another. See what happens here. Nice pop all the way back into support. Might be a nice pickup on that one. Some J curve. Here's a J curve. Not a lot of volume, you can tell on that one. Just going off on a limb, just a pattern. Here's a high-level consolidation. Little reverse head and shoulders. Watch for a breakout on Komodo. Seems like a nice little play there. Here's Link on a J curve. Came swinging. Flipping through, watching those J curves for a nice little pop. There's a W. Watch those W's. Double bottom W. What was that? Nano, little reverse head and shoulders off of a run into resistance. Trying to find the bottoms. Nav ran into resistance as well. Lower high, nice little J curve. Not very pronounced, but still it's coming over support again. X, J curve forming, ran into resistance again. This might need a little bit more consolidation, but POA ran into resistance. Kind of very sharp J curve right there. Nice legs on poly. At the AB bottom there, left head. Watch the right shoulder come in. Similarities going on. QSP, nice little J curve. The AB bottom J curve. Gotta pay attention. I'm just flipping through these. I'm gonna run back into the start again. Just keep running. Get another AB bottom here. AB. Over the 34, back into the 34, broke, back into support, just to keep on going. SYS looks like in the past 20 minutes has ran into resistance there. Nice. Watch for a J curve on this retrace. Theta, I really like that chart on the long-term chart, so I'm keeping an eye on that one. Previous high breaks. So coming to an end here, there's another J curve. A, B, higher low coming across. So into the 34, back into support, and let's see if we can't get something rolling. Just looking for those short-term reversal patterns. And this ZRX just got slammed. So I'm waiting for the wall to come crumbling down on that one, and then see what happens. But back to the beginning, and there you have it. Look for those J curves. Got some reverse head and shoulders on the Bitcoin and some others. Some AB bottoms forming the reverse head and shoulders as well. So into resistance, back into support, and here we come with the reversal patterns. That's about it. Appreciate you guys.